Welcome back, 18!
Pablo's recent TikTok post is giving us CCTV realness, and the fans are having a field day. Forget the content. Everyone's too busy squinting at the foggy video quality, wondering if it was borrowed from Mayor Vico's security cam aesthetic collection. The comment section, pure gold. One fan quipped, malabo na talaga, malabo nang tumingin sa iba boss. And the other chimed in, ito naman kasi si Pinono, may mas malabo pa ba dyan? And the piece de resistance, the vid quality is very Mayor Vico. Honestly, Pablo might have just started a new trend. TikTok but make it blurry. Who needs HD anyway?
Ano rankin mo sa simula at wakas EP ng SB19?
Number 1, Quit. Number 2, Shooting for the Stars. Number 3, Time. Number 4, Lungka. And 5, 8 on ball. Tas Dam. Yung Dam kasi napagsawaan na eh.
Ay, nagpis ka pa magsawa. Si Josh Callen, boss, ikaw. Pa-content ka to, uy. Pa-post ko to. Ko-collaborate ko to kayo, no?
Ako, number 1 is Hirap Time. Second,
pag tumatanda na talaga, time talaga yung pinipili.
8 ton. Third, Lungka. Fourth, Quit. Shooting for the Stars. Fifth. Ay!
Oo, 6 yung Dam. Tama.
Oo nga. Kasi yun nga, parang ganun lang din sa akin. Kasi medyo...
Okay lang.
Sa akin yung Dam.
Understanding.